of the youth who were detained on Liberation Day, as well as other youth across Goa who were concerned with the events that unfolded on that day. To put in short, we condemn the attitude of the police in detaining the children without reason. In fact, the children were so terrified when they were detained, and it led to anxious moments among the parents. Now, coming to the proceedings of the day, that day, the youth had planned a parade from Pato Plaza to the church square, where permission was sought from the parish priest of the Immaculate Conception Church to conduct celebrations. But what transpired there was most unwarranted, because when some youth started performing, singing there, they were pulled away by the police. And later in the afternoon, when a bus and other vehicles were on the road leading to that new Pato road on the highway, the bus was stopped and the children were detained and taken away. They did not know where they were being taken away. It was only after they reached Kolwale, somebody intercepted the bus, stopped the bus. And from there, the bus turned, they came to Agasai and then proceeded to Ponda. In the meantime, all the parents were anxious where their children were being taken to. They did not, even my daughter was in the bus. So when they reached Kolwale and they were returning, they told us, yes, we are coming, don't worry, we are coming home. But they did not know anything. The cops did not tell them anything. They should have at least informed them why they were being detained. They did not do that. And where they were being taken, they were not informed. Most of the children, they did not know where they were being taken because they did not know the place. Going towards Kolwale, they did not know where they were actually. And some of the cops did not have badges on them. Their name tags were not there. So we questioned this high-handedness of the police in dealing with the children. We asked, were they criminals to detain them and being taken for a ride all through? And they were left only at close to, I think, 10 o'clock something. No? Close to 10 o'clock. Yeah. Close, yeah. Till that time we had some anxious moments, all the parents. We did not know what to do. I feel the cops should have reassured children while they were being taken, why they were being detained. And if the youth had planned a peaceful parade from the Pato Plaza to the church square. Does a peaceful parade constitute is against law? We need to know from the government as well why the youth were detained. And secondly, there were some misleading reports in the media calling the youth as protesters. They were not protesters at all. They went to celebrate the Liberation Day. They had planned some events, some skit play, some songs, and such things. The youth know what to do. They were quite aware what they could not do on that day because of the presence of the President of India. So they went there to celebrate. Are they not entitled to celebrate on a Liberation Day? And the parents were expected to follow them later in the evening. This was in the afternoon. They had planned celebration in the afternoon to avoid a clash with the President's presence at the parade, and later in the evening at Azad Maidan function. So they had planned it at 2 o'clock. We also need to know if there was any intelligence report with the media, with the police, that compelled them to detain the children.